Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'd like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about my article, and the title is Comparative Analysis of Vocational High School Textbook on Lead Acid Accumulator Cell with Process Explanation Model. My name is Mujahid Imam Muttaqin. I come from Chemistry Education, School of Postgraduate Studies, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I have two supervisors. The first one is Dr. Hernani, M.Si, and the second one is Dr. Hendrawan, M.Si. They are lecturer from Chemistry Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. This paper present for International Conference on Mathematics and Science Education 2021. Well, I'm going to present my paper into 4 parts. First part is introduction, and then method. The third is result and discussion, and last is conclusion. First part, introduction. In this section, I will explain about research background and research question. Process explanation is a sequence of explanation of why and how a phenomenon can occur. Process explanation is needed to support the development of reasoning in learning. And then textbook. Textbook are one type of learning results that is very effective and efficient and can be used as a reference for related subject. And then lead acid accumulator cell is a basic subject of automotive technology which contain difficult chemical concept and require high reasoning. So the research question is how many lead acid accumulator cell main lesson are in textbook and how many percent use the process explanation model. Next, the second is method. Types of research in this research is qualitative research with descriptive method, namely analyzing the content of textbook. And subject in this research is 3 textbook of lead acid accumulator cell. And then object in this research is analysis of the main lesson and the percentage of lesson explanation with the process explanation model. And last is instrument. We use checklist sheet for the number of main lesson and the percentage of lesson explanation. Third is result and discussion. The textbook that we use in this research are as follow. Textbook X with the title Car Battery Knowledge, published in 2019 by Bumi Aksara. And then the Y textbook with the title New Step 1 Training Manual was published in 2011 by the Toyota Astra Motor Training Center. And last, textbook Z with the title Maintaining Batteries, published in 2019 by the teacher team of SMKN 7 Bandung. Basic competency of lead acid accumulator cell in automotive like vehicle engineering vocational school, that the lead acid accumulator cell material is contained in 2 basic competencies that must be possessed by student, namely evaluating battery work, and the second is battery maintenance. Okay, from 2 basic competencies explained into several main lessons, the result analysis of subject matter or main lesson in textbook are presented in this table. You can see that 3 textbooks have differences in number of main lesson. Textbook that contain the most main subject are textbook Z with 23 main lesson. Then textbook X with 22 main subject or main lesson, and at least textbook Y with 17 main lesson. After analyzing the basic competencies and main lesson, we analyze process explanation model in that main lesson. The analysis results are presented in this table. Based on the result of analysis, it can be identified that the textbook X has the largest percentage in explaining lesson with a process explanation model that is 36.4%, while textbook Y is 11.8%, and textbook Z is 30.4%. In textbook X, there are 8 of 22 main lessons that have used process explanation model in their explanation. In textbook Y, only 2 of 17 main lessons have explained using the process explanation model, and in the textbook Z, there are 7 main lessons from a total of 23 main lessons that use an explanation with a process explanation model. Okay, everyone, the last part is conclusion. First conclusion is main lesson of lead acid accumulator cell in textbooks X, Y, and Z has a different number of main lessons, namely 22 main lessons in textbook X, 17 main lessons in textbook Y, and 23 lessons on textbook Z. And the second conclusion, based on the analysis of lesson explanation with the process explanation model, textbook X had the largest percentage with a result of 36.4%, while textbook Y was 11.8% and textbook Z was 30.4%. Okay, that's all of my presentation today. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.